Dahil maraming mga bashers, marami ng mga feeling may alam sila, di ba? Pero wala talaga. Casey and I were very, very good friends. She has one of the best hearts in the world. She's a Cebuana, that's why she's a Bisaya, that's why we're very close. Alam po natin kapag Bisaya yung kapwa, ganun, parang automatic close na tayo lahat. So I guess na-misunderstood na yung mga tao. But Casey and I were very good friends, and Morissette too. And I always like to make the Cebuano clan bond, di ba? Kasi parang mag-represent na Bisaya ko kahit Cebuano kami. So yun.
Okay. Pero kailan nag-start yung friendship na yan with Casey?
Dati, tagal na. Hindi lang, sige, opo.
So, ngayon lang nabibigyan ng ginagawa ng chismis.
Yeah, I guess so. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I guess kasi nag-pause siya dun sa interview niya. Pero, alam mo yung mga tao, hindi nila maintindihan, especially, people watching TV, that kapag nasa harap ka ng camera, nakakaba, di ba? Kapag may camera, si Tito Boy nandun sa harap mo. So nakakaba talaga. So, we shouldn't give fault to anybody.
Parang ang dating kasi may something eh.
Yeah. Pero wala, we're good
Basta
friends.
mga nanood na.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.